Okay guys, here we are in the Blazer. Sorry if it's a little echoey, but to take this door panel off, it's fairly easy. I'm going to refurbish these completely. Obviously you can see they've had some good use, but I want to make them look new again, and it's pretty easy. So the first thing you do to take these off is obviously unscrew your door lock, and that just goes counterclockwise. There you go. And then there should be, I believe, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So all Phillips head screws. So get behind your door handle release. Undo these two. Then there's one behind the door handle, or the armrest in here. There is actually one in there, it's just dirty. And then there's 4 at the bottom. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'll do is I'll undo all of those screws really quick, and I'll show you how to remove the actual door panel from the door. Okay, so in order to pull this door off, now that all of our screws are out, what you want to do is separate the bottom on the front end of the truck, and then just basically start working your hand up and pushing this thing up, because all it's doing is sitting on a track down here along the window. And then always work front to back on this, trying just to only go, pulling it and pushing it straight up. You don't want to twist or grab or force any of this, because this whole thing will start to crack up here. All these parts are pretty old and weak. So anyways, just start lifting up. Hear it popping, cracking, hopefully not cracking. Anyways, I will do this off camera so I don't break this, but you can see this track starting to separate. Just sits down here and locks in against the window. We've got one more clip back here that's being kind of a bear to get around, but what I'll do is, you can see from far what this looks like. So it just easily comes apart. So what I'm going to do with these panels, like I said, stay tuned for more videos, because I'm going to rebuild these, take them completely apart. Yeah, make them look new, hopefully, ish, as much as you can. So anyways, hope this was informative. Kind of a short, easy one today. But yeah, I know a lot of people like to take these off, adding wiring, fixing switches. I know this guy works. Windows, not so much. So we'll also fix that while this is off. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep posting.